Hi everyone, Marley here. I hope you're doing well with all the craziness that is going on in the world right now. I hope you're staying safe, healthy, and if possible, productive. What is going on right now is affecting so many businesses across the world, including affiliate marketing, because many people work in certain niches where they promote physical products and they find themselves having a hard time fulfilling orders because their vendors are unable to meet and ship them out to their customers. So my goal with this video is to talk about the hottest niches that have a big demand but low supply and can essentially be recession proof. This helps eliminate the worry of needing to fill orders, sending or selling actual physical products that can affect sales during crazy moments like the one we are living through right now. Whether you find yourself out of a job right now or reduced hours due to this worldwide pandemic, it should trigger a light within you to make you see that you can't just rely on your 9-to-5 income. You need to find other sources of income to help you stay afloat during crises like the ones we are experiencing. Remember, at this point, it is about mindset. When you encounter setbacks, there's always room for opportunities to show up and grow. You just never know what life can throw your way, and you have to set yourself up for peace of mind in order to not just take care of your own personal well-being, but of your loved ones as well. This is your time to learn and adapt and grow because change will always be around. Whether it's due to this quarantine or not, this is your opportunity to learn how to make some income for yourself and learn to become an entrepreneur. Let me just say though, while I do believe anyone can try to become an entrepreneur, not many will last or are meant for this world. You have to have the right mindset. Be optimistic, have the right work ethic, be okay with some long hours, learn how to juggle multiple hats, and understand that not everything is meant to be a get-rich-quick scheme. If you believe that this can be you, let's get straight into this affiliate marketing trends that you can begin taking advantage of right now due to their high demand. First is home workouts. Workouts and fitness have always been around and will always be around. So look for fitness affiliate programs to join. You can find some success here, especially if you are into fitness and healthy lifestyle. It'll make you more passionate about it. Look up home workout programs that you can promote through affiliate links and create a lead magnet page that you can promote on Facebook through ads to start attracting people, especially since ad spend right now is so low, and to help you generate sales. Show a captivating call to action headline like top 5 workouts to do during this quarantine. Then you have to showcase the value of the product. Consider making content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whichever, but pick a platform and focus on growing your content and audience on that one platform to continue to help promote these workout programs. Getting into trend number 2, and that is going to be software that allows you to work from home. Consider a platform like ClickFunnels or better yet, Builderall, which is a digital marketing platform that allows business owners to manage a lot of their business marketing components online and from anywhere, like web design, video creation, text messaging, email marketing, chat boxes, e-learning, etc., all are under one roof. Builderall themselves have a great affiliate marketing program that you should look into. I will add a link in the description below for you to check out and sign up. I am part of it and I've found great success in it. If you get on Google Trends, you will see a large spike in Google searches for terms like work from home, which means it's in high demand. This means there's also a large number of people looking for tools that are going to help them accomplish work from their homes as well. I am part of a number of entrepreneur and business owner groups on Facebook, and I'm constantly seeing posts from people who need recommendations for software like Builderall. So this is where I find my opportunities to provide them value on this tool and lead them to my affiliate link to generate some leads and sales. Third trend right now is online tutoring. Due to stay-at-home orders, parents can't go and drop off their kids at tutoring centers, so they have to look for other options to help their child achieve academic success. Even if there were no quarantine notices, this will be an ongoing business that will continue to be sought after because a child's academic success will always be important. Get on Google today and look for online tutoring affiliate programs and scroll through some of the options. For example, you'll find companies like Schooly where you'll earn a commission for referring students to them, Preply, and so forth. Literally taking advantage of these trends is how you get your foot in the door of affiliate marketing and how you can get some traction. The hardest part about this business is making money online is getting that initial traction. This is why I'm making this video, so you can take advantage of these trends right now and begin getting your own traction. Remember, consistency will be your key to success. Don't expect to make thousands of dollars right off the bat. You have to put the work in at the beginning. But I do have a strong feeling that you will start seeing sales if you get started in this industry right now. These are the trends that I'm recommending that you look into and start joining right now and start being a part of and promoting. There's opportunity out there for you to make money at home. It's just doing the research and putting the work in. If you have any questions about the trends that I mentioned in this video, about making money with Builderall, or just want to say hi, leave it in the comments below and I will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you for sticking around till the end, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more business tips like these. Catch you next time.